Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the free gas Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis 254. Now, this is totally new to me, but I'm gonna try it. So, let me bring this up here as recording. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of run y'all through how I like edit my videos or whatever. A lot of people like, oh man, you dropping like every day, this, that, and the third. I mean, it's a lot that goes off into it. And I'm gonna just run y'all through that right quick. Alright, so of course somebody's gonna message me right quick. I don't know who the hell this is. Oh, okay. Hold on. Did they read my message? I hate when people do that. They read your message and then they just don't respond. Like, who does that? Alright, well, let's get into it. So, what we're gonna be doing, so basically what I already have is like my intro, like this part right here never leaves, so I don't have to redo it every single time and all that jazz. So, hold on, something happened. Yeah, something happened. So, yeah, something happened. Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna just delete that, drag that all the way out, and then go from there. Hate when this happens. I actually got something important in the background, so let me see. Alright, so usually when you put like a little transition or whatever over here, that's what does it. So I use divide for the beginning of mine, and then it's alright. So let me see. Alright, so here's a video I haven't yet done. So basically what I do is I'm gonna zoom out on the timeline. I'm going to shorten it like that. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis 254. Make sure we got this wiped out, man. I think we need to wipe out the actual cover. So I actually won't go through the whole thing, but if I didn't have something important, it would be going faster. Anyway, yeah. So basically what this video was about or is about is me explaining about the brake booster and how that's hooked up on different vehicles. And then I go and I'm starting the car and showing you that it cranks, and that's the beauty of LS and Chevrata, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. And y'all actually won't see this how to make your video until afterwards. So on most videos, on these GoPro videos, I don't really do like a lot of editing. The basic cross dissolve used for my fade outs. I drag it all the way to the end. So, and actually, we could probably stop that like right there. So then,
well, identify your weaknesses and make sure.
Alright, so now that our project is edited, and like I said, keeping it short pretty much for the sake of time. So here we have the total video is gonna be like 4:45, intro to the end, blah blah blah. Alright, so what I do is I go up here and I go to, oh, hold on. Also, what I do right here is I click on here, I auto enhance the audio. What this is gonna do is gonna come down here and it's gonna smooth everything out pretty much. Uh, as you can see, it'll be analyzing right over here, and that way you can see when it's done and all of that. So that's one way to know when it's done. It'll be a little green check mark, and then also down here you see where it's peaking. It's gonna be more level. It'll bring it out to where it's not peaking. That's what the yellow and the red is when your audio peaks. So I'm gonna let that finish analyzing. Do do do. Boom. Okay, so green check light fixed. A lot of us are enthusiasts and don't know everything. So, instead of, so audio sounds good. That's in conjunction, with the mic setup and everything. So, from there, what we're going to do is go here and we're going to share. Now the settings that I have like a current frame so that I can like pick whatever frame I'm going to use for my thumbnail. So I can use that like right there. Because people love to see the shit. So we say the current frame like so. And like I said, I apologize for this going as slow as it is. Because I do have another video so I name it so I can find it. It's gonna put it on my desktop. Boom, as a JPEG. Boom. Okay, so yeah, desktop save. So from there, what we're going to do is now we're gonna put it in the queue. From there, you choose YouTube. Um, I just put like default settings. I do have another setup to where all the settings are already put in there and it'll put all the tags and stuff. But I usually go back and have it done by YouTube Buddy or TubeBuddy, and it does it when I upload them. And I can do that in another video after I get this one up and done. So basically, see, it's from there. All you do is hit next. It's gonna publish from now. The beauty of this is going to take that video and it's going to basically have that data, and it can go ahead and it's gonna upload it as well. So after I push publish, I don't have to do anything else. Now, the beauty of this is that now that that's done, I can go back, I delete that, and now we can start working automatically on our next video. We go up here, grab the next video, pull it down. As you can see, this one is about to Chevelle. Drag it all the way to the end. Gotta zoom in. Using that to make sure it's at the end. Put our cross dissolve at the end like that. I usually have this stopping right at the beginning of that. Gonna click on it. Another way that you can do it, either you can go right here and do the auto enhance, or you can go over here and click the little button. Basically that same one, and it'll analyze the clip as well. But as you can see here, if you click right here, this will bring up our background task, and as you can see, it is already it's transcoding and doing that, but it also is sharing, and it's already writing that other project. Even though we deleted it, it's already in the queue and it's on its way to go. So let me back out of here a little bit. Like I said, it's actually running a little bit slower because I got something else important. That was a video that I had to shoot. I did it on my phone, and it just takes hella far long for it to come in from the phone versus the GoPro, and that's why I shoot on my GoPro. So yeah, boom, 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 boom. There. So, as you can see in the background, that's transcoding. That's still doing its thing, and that's still sharing. You can exit out; it just takes it away. So we click back down here. Let's see if our audio is still analyzing. Because, like I said, there's something else running in the background, taking a bottle of juice. So and actually, what I'm using to record this is OBS, and this is just the first time of me doing it, and I'm just trying something out, and it's hopefully gonna work. All right, so this is analyzing. And analyzing the audio, I mean, it always doesn't have to be done. Um, like I said, it usually does go quicker because I don't have something else going on in the background when I'm doing these edits to these videos. Um, but as you can see, it is taking a little bit of a minute. This video here is about almost a little bit over 12 minutes long. So alright, still analyzing. Sorry guys. In the meantime, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are trying to win the LS Swap giveaway, please make sure that you watch that video, comment on that video, like the video, comment on the video, and then subscribe to the channel. You'll be entered. So as you can see, it's the audio analysis is done. Let's see. A lot of you guys have been talking about the whole like LS Swap thing, and me personally. Yeah, so I think what I was doing in this video was checking the oil. I can't really tell. Yeah, I was checking the oil. Okay, so now that we have that, we'll bring it over here somewhere. We'll get our thumbnail right there, and we'll go save current frame, and we'll say Chevelle oil check head gasket. So this will definitely be something that comes up after that one. And just like the last one, we'll put it, boom, save it, and it'll be saved. It'll process and do its thing, and then the same thing here. We do the YouTube, Chevelle oil check head gasket. It's gonna be a gig, 1.36 gigs, and we hit next, publish, boom, and we are on our way to the next one. Simple and plain. So that, people, is how it goes. And as you can see up here, When you click on the background task, I'm saying it's going to write that one, it's going to say the current frame, and then it's going to do the next video. So very, very simple. Very, very easy to do. So, all right, guys, it is your boy LS254. I'm hoping that this video may help somebody. If you had tips or questions, or just was wondering, you know, how you could possibly get more videos edited and out to the web for your viewers to see, so you can get your watch hours up and get your subscribers up. And this is just a way that I've been doing. It's been working for me, and I thought I just want to share the knowledge. So it's your boy LS254. Identify your weaknesses and make your strength. If you like this button, if you like this video, make sure that you click the like button, click the subscribe button, and stay tuned for even more videos. Drop down in the comments below and let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see in the future. So have a good one, guys.